I'm back.
Much of brothers. $85 a pop. Oh wait, that's just kind of that way. Okay, I'll do like 6 of them. I did 8 because I think my lucky.
Much love, my boy.
8 is the lucky number of the day.
G.
Next, breakout O's, right? Chat, breakout is by the payoff, right?
Bro, do 10. 10 is the lucky number.
Breakout O's, I'm gonna buy maybe 100 of those.
Streams, can I get a welcome to the jungle, please, and thank you.
I'm already running out of money. Okay. Chat, what else after that?
Yeah.
Chat, what about gloves?
No, we walk around the world.
Open Paris major sticker capsules. They are cheap AF and can pay big, plus the revenue goes
Revolution.
Smush. Yeah, 21.
Well, the prices are hiking up.
Hey bro, I wanna say a quick thank you for all your awesome vibes and energy. Thank you.
Let's do this shit. Let's send it. About 100.
xQc.
Inventory is currently full. Can I buy it? Inventory is full. We gotta go spend it.
Drop some bars to my pussy ex for me. Then 21. Can you do something for me?
I said it.
Can you talk to the ops next for me? 21. Do your thing.
This is a quarter scoop.
Do your thing. Do your thing. 21.
Yellow diamonds in the watch. This shit costs a lot. Never send a bitch or die. That's how you get shot. I DM in vanish mode. I do that shit a lot. Took her panties off and this bitch thicker than the plot. All my S's ain't nothing, them hoes busted. If my ops ain't rapping, they ass ducking. You ain't ready to pull the trigger, don't clutch it. I know you on your period, baby. Can you suck it? I'm a savage. Smacker.
32 months man time flies.
Slap a pussy nigga with the ratchets. I might slap a
Alright, Germany.
Today, the frozen bags are going back in the freezer. The cases are cranking. Get the juice.
Chat, I have to do episodes again because
7 months of absolute existential dread.
Chat, I have to fill my inventory a little bit.
Hey you dry scooping addict, hope you have a great day. Chat, where are the nails? Nails. Nails. Nails.
For you if I'm not working, girl. If I'm busy, then fuck no. You need to find.
Chat, give me 1 minute, chat. I need to do the chest first.
When your bank account get low.
No, actually,
You need to find you some.
maybe
Hey, 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 hey. I'm on that slaughter.
I just store them inside.
Murder gang shit. Hey, slaughter gang shit. Hey, murder gang. Hey, sticks and stones, chrome on chrome. That's just what a nigga on. Internet.
Garbage 2.
Kissing through the phone. Pussies clicking up so they don't feel alone. Hey, man, niggas seeing me. I'm young money CMB. I used to roll with CMG. The house is not a B&B. The bad bitch.
Hold up.
Like I'm P&D. I'm steady pushing P. You niggas pushing PTSD. I told her ass to kiss me in the club. Fuck a TMZ. I used to want a GMC when what was doing B&E. We revving up and going on a run like we DMC. I lay up with her for a couple days. Then it's BRB. Rappers love asking if I fuck when you know he.
Chat, this is in practice for today anyway.
When you know he did. She came in heels, but she left out on a cozy shit. Hey, I'm living every 24 like Kobe did. Shout out to the 6.
I deposit.
Remember that the major coin and team
Okay,
are
chat.
available now.
Chat, listen. I want a butterfly knife. I want 2 of them. I want a fire Serpy steady off the Bravo cases. I want 2 butterfly knives off the breakouts and 2 knives off the fucking revolution. I'm gonna just wash my hands because I need the good luck. I cannot open these with bad hands.
Boy, look, you the motherfucking man, boy. Ooh, you is
Pushing PTSD. Yo, listen. Ready? Okay, chat. Guys, we're starting the day with guys. You know how it is. I'm not a fucking staller Randy who started the expensive ones. Okay, chat. Fire, Serpy, steady on a stack. Spin it backwards. Make a twister. Close. Rub. Twist. Zoom in. Lock. Unlock. Boom. That's it. It's done. So first, steady. Boom. First case.
Don't you wanna dance with me? No.
Oh! Oh! That's actually not even that's not bad at all.
What is your favorite candy?
$154.
With me, no. I could dance like Michael J.
Yo!
Satisfaction.
Yo, we take those. Hold up.
Every day with it. I'ma show you how to get it. It go right foot up.
Okay. Fire, Serpy steady on a stack. Go hard. Yeah, we can trade it up, yeah. Oh! Oh!
Can't let this one slide.
Oh, that's tough luck. Okay, it's okay, it's okay. Okay. Put it to the side. Double zoom. Put it to the right side. Shake the lock a little bit. Twister. Fire to be steady. That's unlucky. That's probably the wrong side. That's my fault.
That's your side, think it's either you or me. This life got too deep for you, baby.
Fire to be steady.
xQcL.
Oh! Aw, man. At least give me the M4, bruv. 3 more. Fire to be steady.
I'ma show you how to get it. It go right foot up, left foot
Fire to be steady. Fire to be steady. Fire to be steady. Oh!
right foot slide.
Okay, I mean, how much am I worth anyway? It's not worth a lot, is it?
Can't let this one slide.
$41. Come on, go absolutely bonkers here. It's good money back though. Oh!
This next one is gonna be a knife.
Fuck. Last one.
Can't describe the pressure I be putting on myself. Really, I just can't afford to lose nobody
Go.
else.
Fire, Serpy steady. Watch it, it's gonna hit that.
If I'm moving shaky, Chelsea do the shit himself.
That's disgusting.
Niggas don't need YOLO for real. Heard a lot about you, but we don't know for real. Next time, guarantee the truth.
Let's do a trade up with it.
Black leather glove, no seat.
Oh no, I can't. It's too risky. I don't even have it.
Nike crossbody got a piece.
This is not following their gambling on Twitch. I'm genuinely curious what the stipulation is. Shut up, man. You're an idiot. You even bringing that up is fucking cringe. I'm gonna be honest with you.
Left foot slide, left foot up, right foot slide.
Send it.
I'm saying either way we bout to slide. Hey, can't let this one slide. Hey, don't you
Cam,
wanna dance with
what we
me?
want though, chat?
I could dance like
Why is you stupid?
I could get you the passion. It's a thriller in a track.
Send it them.
Baby, don't you wanna dance with me? No, I could dance like Michael J.
Chat. Oh! That's it, 100%. It's 100% a knife.
And you know we out here.
Yo X, it's my 19th birthday today. Can I get a welcome to the jungle? xQcL.
Butterfly knife. Chat, what's the one we get out of this? Emerald, right? Chat. What is what we want out of the butterfly knife category?
xQcL.
Fade. Fade. Oh shit. Emerald? Does that exist in this one or not? Oh!
Yo.
Okay, wait, okay. Is this friend here? Shh. I need some juice, man. I'm trying to cry right now, man. What we want is... Chat, what is the best fade bundle here? Okay, good. Fast steady. Chat, I've done the math. The steady rates on those are really bad. Chat, the steady amounts, and this is really bad compared to normal amounts. It's insane. It's so low. I rarely get pink steadies. Okay. Butterfly knife. Zoom in. Send it. Yellow, yellow, yellow. Bad. One quick one because to remove the bad luck. That's it, I got it. It's successful. Chat, if you skip a case and it opens up blue, you get rid of the bad luck. It's proven.
38 months.
Now give us a yellow now.
Butterfly knife next case if I get a welcome to the jungle.
Welcome to the jungle, man.
2 years aware.
You said next knife, right? Next box. Otherwise, I need my refund.
A little kissy for good luck.
That is bad. I'm saturating the market. That's not true. I mean, you can say I'm market manipulating as much as you want to, but the thing is that I open the cases. Every money I spend on cases, it manipulates the market, but I actually opened them up, so what does it matter? What? Even if it did, it's an old thing.
Game today anymore?
What? Any souvenir package? Where? Gold, yellow, yellow.
25 months. Pop. Tryish nose opening for luck.
Yellow, yellow, yellow.
Hey man, I unboxed a stat track Huntsman Gamma Doppler Emerald last night. Pattern 273 factory new. Do you know a good place to sell this at?
Yeah, it's on one of the websites, to be honest.
KX, it's been 25 months.
Yellow, yellow.
I have never gotten a welcome to the
Oh!
Can today be it? xQc.
Wait, hold up! It just teased, it just teased. It just teased, hold up!
Hey Mr. Cow, I appreciate you.
Oh! Double tease! Double tease, it's striking it, it's striking it.
34 months.
It's cracking really hard right now.
To the jungle.
It's molten now.
Open case on 3rd row 2nd column. Use the 3rd key.
It's fucking molten. Bro,
Hey,
it's
Mr. Cow 30.
magma-like. Dude, it's a molten rock, magma, lava, volcanic eruption, fucking bottom of Mordor, molten hot heat. It's so cranked. Bro, 500 cases with no knife yet. It's absolutely molten. Come on. It's so busted in the molten now. And then 2 teasers, right? 2 red teasers. Somebody keep count. There was two red teasers back to back, right?
Poggers champion.
Gotta keep that in mind. You have to when you make strategy decisions.
Attack ships on fire.
I gotta keep that in mind when I'm making strategy decisions.
I watched sea beams glittering down.
It's gonna like demolten me right now. It's pretty bad. It's right here.
All moments lost in time. Like
Yo, where's the yellow, man?
in
I'm not playing a game right now. Yellow, yellow, yellow.
Gold, gold, gold.
Yellow. Yo, this is so bad right now. This is really bad. 7, 5 to 12. So unlucky. Yellow, 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 yellow. Yellow, 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 yellow. Yo, where's my yellow at, man? Why am I so unlucky at Gambit? It's insane. Yellow, 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 yellow. Yellow, 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 yellow. Yellow, and the minute it's Gambit? Absolutely, 100%. Oh, for this Gambit. It all is. You're just dumb. The fuck? Yellow, yellow, yellow.
I can't believe this fucking guy. Opening case after case and he's not even using his toes. Fucking amateur. Everyone knows if you want to get the juice, you need to click the mouse with your toes. Get it together, man. Nails. Nails.
It doesn't matter if you love him or capital H-I-M.
What the fuck is this song?
Just put your paws up, 'cause you were born this way, baby.
Yellow, yellow, yellow.
My mama told me when I was
This is bad, chat. This is really bad.
superstars. She rolled my hair, put my lipstick on. In the glass,
This is bad, chat. This is bad.
there's nothing wrong with loving who you are, she said, 'cause he
Hello
made
Felix,
you
how are you today? Hope to see you bench pressing
Hold
soon.
your head up, girl, and you'll go far. There's nothing left to say. I'm beautiful in my way, 'cause I make no mistakes. I'm on the right track, baby. I was born
I'll do one more round of breakouts.
to still to regret. Just love yourself instead. I'm on the right track, baby. I was born this way, born this way.
I'll get maybe 40 of them. I'll get 60 of them.
Don't be a drag, just be a queen. Don't be a drag, just be a queen. Don't be a drag, just be a queen.
38 months. You will get a butterfly knife next case if I get a welcome to the jungle, I promise.
Yellow, 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 yellow. Although chat, I'm not lying about this, chat. I'm not lying. I promise that
Kissy for good luck.
we have not opened a singular red out of $10,000 worth of breakout cases.
Yes. Case 5.
Not kidding you.
P2.
In 10K, I haven't even gotten a red out of this case yet. The asthma was a straight up.
Felix. To get
Yellow,
what you want,
yellow, yellow, yellow.
to click.
I need to get like a rank 1 pattern, insane butterfly knife apparition, ghostly, demonic, ritualistic, insane, fucking backwards, devilish, foily back on the play side juicer. Otherwise it's GG's. It's gotta be now, it's gotta be now. Yellow me up now.
Whether you're broke or evergreen, your black, white, beige, chola
Yellow me now, bitch ass.
is your orient. weather life's disabilities left you outcast for leader tease. Rejoice and love yourself today, cause baby, you were born this way. No matter gay, straight or bi, lesbian, transgender life, I'm on the right track, baby, I was born to survive. No matter black, white or beige, should I orient me, I'm on the right track, baby, I was born to be brave.
Just disrespect, look at this guy. Opening cases using this hand.
Look at this guy, he can't use the fucking
Everyone knows
DTS
about
properly.
to slap your forcing on the button to open a titty.
Look at this guy, he can't use the DTS properly. $10 for this! $10 for this! Teaser. Oh, what the fuck? Yell me the fuck up now. Oh!
Felix, want to wish you the best of luck on your spins and MC runs today. You got this big boy.
4 teasers!
I've never seen a diamond. 29 months.
What
Wow.
was that TTS? Guys, my TTS just broke. That was fucking weird. Oh, this song though.
And I'm not proud of my address.
Chat, Royals? Royals? What do people and then the Royals have? Gold. What color is gold? Gold. Gold, gold, gold.
But every song's like gold teeth, Grey Goose dripping in the bathroom, bloodstains, ball gowns, trash in the hotel room.
Watch this now. Oh! It's gotta be it, it's gotta be it.
But everybody's like crystal.
5 teasers. No red, no yellow, in 10K worth of cases. This is a world record of dog shit.
We aren't caught up in your love affair, and we'll never be
Royals, Royals.
It's a running out
Like that, lots ain't for us.
We crave a different kind of buzz. Let me be your ruler. You can call me Queen Bee, and baby I'll rule.
Boom! Yes! Boom! Yes! What is that? What is that? What is that? What is that? It's the stuff.
And we've cracked the code. We count our dollars on the train to the party. And everyone who knows us knows.
Chat, what the fuck did I just open? This is disgusting. What the fuck is this? It's terrible. Pattern is 413. Catalog 44.
Busing.
Patina 03266 on the fucking floor. It is disgusting. Guys, it has no pattern on it. It has nothing special. It's just a normal. Look, it's like a blue tip. It's like a blue tip.
Sick.
Chat, is it worth more because of any sort of pattern to it, or is there there's nothing about it that's different? There's nothing special about it, right? Chat, let me explain for the people that don't know about this, okay? So some knives are worth more than their value because that's something special. Like look at this one. This one happened the other day. See, this one is normally this one is normally marble with yellow, blue, and red. But this one, when you play it in the game, on the play side, there's no yellow at all, 0. It's only red and blue. It's called Fire and Ice. It's worth way more than its normal value. On top of that, it's stat track. So then you have other patterns after that, right? But this one when you play it on the play side, it has a perfect web in the middle. So this one has a web, right? Normally you only get webs or whatever everywhere. But this one has a middle, a cobweb. See that? So when you're playing the game on the play side, you do it like this. Right? So it's gonna go like this.
Why this knife look like it's going to give someone E. coli fucking dookie dip knife foam.
But then
This one is one of them. We have a lot of ocean blue with
Did you give up
Dude,
on
I could have had this. This could have been us, but the game is being a bitch ass.
Here, the side is luckily blue on both of them. A really, really good knife. And the other one is 494. If you remember the old clip on the flip knife, where we had a situation where two patterns were also considered the number one, and people were unsure, like, hey, is this one the number one? Is this one the number one? The same situation is kinda true in the butterfly knife.
Chat, you know what, chat? The way to make value out of the skin is by making a story, okay? When you do chat, you open a knife and you give it a story. Like, oh, dude, see this knife, chat? See this knife, chat? This is called sand.
Personally speaking, xQc.
This is called sand dunes.
You don't have a good eye on things that look good.
As you can see, there's a wave there. It's the ocean.
There's no cohesive.
There's the beach. There's the sand.
Planned out design. That knife is
That's
sick
the water.
as fuck, and I would buy that any day for 1K.
And this is called dream pattern. This is a dream beach mix-up. Rare as fuck. Boom, done.
32 months.
We have like two parties.
Just welcome
this
myself
is the second
to the jungle
one, pattern next
xQcl.
494 with a cheeky scar-ish thingy and also some ocean blue, and the side is also full ocean blue. Which one do you prefer? Scar or
So these are the only two good patterns out of blue, chat? Chat, are these the only two good patterns you can get out of kids on or not?
Nick chat, I hope you
the
get something
side
good in
is
your
luckily
cases.
blue on both of them.
Onlypixel notices a special knife.
Wow, 25 months. Good
All
luck
in on the
opening
bridge. I'm
cases
closing
so
it
long,
early, guys.
Daddy. How
Last
about a
chance.
welcome to the jungle?
Enter.
Faded
Big pattern
Salmon.
huntsman! Big pattern huntsman! That's the code pattern huntsman!
You
Wow!
are doing and come kiss me on my hot mouth. I am feeling romantical. Moi.
Dick!
Enter.
I see it!
Big pattern huntsman! That's the code pattern huntsman! Yes!
Even has the balls! Okay, that's insane.
Big pattern huntsman! Big pattern huntsman! Big
Oh my god! Okay, that's rare.
Enter. Big pattern huntsman! Big pattern huntsman! That's the code pattern huntsman!
Okay, now we gotta open one up. A
really, really good knife. And
We're fine with this. We didn't come for money. But every song's like gold teeth, grey goose dripping in the bathroom, bloodstains, ball gowns, trash in the hotel room.
Alright, chat. Guys, we opened one. That's nothing in. Back to back. Back to back. Like it's nothing. Like it's nothing. Back to back. Dog shit game.
Tigers on a gold leash. We don't
You are literally
Chat.
a bozo. Buy my master pass. Also,
Oh!
I'm tired of my taxpayers' money. It's a little pickle, you know, she's gonna die. Please, Saj, buy my master pass. I need the money, you bozo.
We crave a different kind of buzz. Let me be your ruler.
Chat. It's still cranking, because I was still 200 cases above threshold, right? So already at 5, we're already halfway into the bad luck scheme. We're 200 away. That's nice. That's nice. Oh my god. I think that was a sandstorm pattern.
And we'll never be royal. It's a running our blood. That kind of luck's just ain't for us. We crave a different kind of buzz.
Yo, give us
Be your ruler.
a.
You can
He's on that. He's on that.
be our
Play night tempo we party while unboxing.
Come on, come on, come on, come on.
You might think you've peeped the scene. You haven't. The real ones.
Can we get much higher? So
Yellow there. Chat, I'm getting a holy vibe in this shit. This is blessed. This is the blessed opening. Watch this. Bing.
fantasize about this back in Chicago. Mercy, mercy me, that mercy
Yellow, yellow. It's so... Oh my god! It's the hacker pattern!
Diablo, me found bravery in my bravado.
Oh, 426!
Need to listen to the models. You ain't got no fucking use.
Oh, 426!
Stupid, but what the hell do I know? I'm just a Chi-town nigga with a nice flow. And my chick in that new Phoebe Philo. So much shit, I woke up to Sleepy Hollow. Can we get much higher?
Alright, yellow me up. Yellow, 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 yellow.
Look like a fat booty Celine Dion. Sex is on fire. I'm the king of Leona Lewis. Beyond the truest. Hey, teacher, tell me how do you respond to students and
yellow, 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 yellow.
Restart the memory.
Yellow, 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 yellow.
Child just paid Garvin to not give you another night. But you didn't hear that from
Great!
someone is at my door. I will be right
The Rothschild? I'm richer, so I don't give a fuck. I'll bid them.
Fresh air rolling down the window. Too many Urkels on your team, that's why your wind's low.
Yellow, 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 yellow.
Don't make me toys and fire up the engines, and then they make noise. Can we get
Chat, that's a Pikachu pattern. Oh my god, I got a Pikachu pattern. Oh my god. That is crazy. I can't believe that we got a Pikachu pattern.
In the sky filled with heron, saw the devil in the Christ of the Baron.
That is rare.
Spare us. And the fires they declare us, but after that, took pills, kissed and errors. And woke up back in Paris.
Yellow.
Can we get much higher? So high.
Yellow. Yellow. Chat, what color is the sun? Yellow. What color is gold? Yellow. What color is a lemon? People say I'm the cuck. I'm the cuck king. CLM. CLM, lemon. Lemon color? Yellow. Boom, watch this.
Can we get much higher? So high.
Oh! Oh! 6 teasers. 7 actually. 7, 8. Teasers. Show you tonight. We just got this. Yellow. Oh, anomaly. Yellow, yellow, yellow.
I own one of the Dick Pattern Huntsmans, not the one from the major, but there's only 6 in existence. I think the other 5 are owned by Chinese collectors. Here's a link to it, link.
No, because you know, we could invest to get the $2 million 661 steady. Chat.
I have the knife.
The legend says nobody has a 661 factory new steady in the world. It doesn't exist. Chinese are trying to get it. It's technically possible. I'm not kidding you. I'm not kidding you. Oh, yellow right here. It's over. It's over right here. It's over. Laughing. Yellow right here. It's over. Yellow right here. It's over. Consequences. Take only what you need from it. Chat, yellow right here. It's over. Boom! Steady! Steady! 004!
Chat if you are
004!
right names.
004!
A baby is born, crying out for attention.
861! Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. That's the drone pattern! That's the drone pattern!
Decision to decisions are made and not fought, but I thought this wouldn't hurt.
That's the drone pattern.
Show yourself.
Chat, that's what, chat. I'm not gonna say how much it's worth. I'm not trying to get robbed. That's worth insane. Oh my god. Chat, that's a black market pattern.
Show yourself. Take only what you need from it. A family of dreams want it. Be haunted.
That's worth nothing. I will buy it from you just because it's nice though.
Hold up, I need to do so. I'll do one more way and then we're done.
Two years with the juicer, can I get a finger heart? xQcl.
Okay, I'm almost out of money though. 20 bucks left only. I can only do 20 more. Yo, this market is getting, yeah, chat. I am busting the market right now.
Wow.
Chat, the market is getting crashed.
Good luck opening cases.
Watch this.
Daddy, how about a welcome to the jungle? Faded fan of home. Chat, stop what you are doing and come kiss me on my hot mouth. I am feeling romantic or
Nah, it's not, I'm not even doing that much of an answer. I'm only a little bit in this. Last wave. Show yourself. Take only what you need from it. Oh! Back to back! Holy shit, dude! Stat track back to back! Okay, dude. Guys, somebody put that in place. Somebody put that in place. That's so fucking dumb. Hold up. I'm trying to get a good song out of this. Hold up. Chat, isn't the steady red more red than a knife? And I just got 2 in a row. Wait, that's mathematically improbable. Can't get you out of my head. Raw, yellow me over here. Bop, bing bong. Nope.
Yo, my brother.
No, that wasn't a lot. Like 120 bucks. Oh, dude, 9 teasers. Chat, this cake is so molten, it's gonna fucking melt. Yo, yellow me up, man. I know Gaben is a big watcher. He watches it almost every day. Gaben watches my stream almost every day. I know he does. He sends me emails. Gaben, if you're watching right now, please give me a yellow next case, please. I'm gonna wait till they approve it. Oh, he's in Chevy now. There's 3. Which box? Last one? The one before last one. Okay, got it. He says this one now. Approved. Got it. He scammed me. He actually lied. That is weird as fuck. He actually lied. Okay. That is weird. Oh my god. Chat. That's the apocalypse pattern. The black market forbidden. 003. Remove the market. Chat. I had to get rid of it off my account. That's contraband. I should let me up now. Yo, where the fuck are the yellows though?
Fuck you, chat.
Yellow? Yellow, yellow. Dude, one more for good luck, man. That's all I asked for. La. Right here. Yellow me up. Yellow. Oh, steady.
Yo, 63 months. Can I get that siren?
Yellow on last. Bing bong. Guys, these stickers suck fucking balls, man.
I own one of the Dick Pattern Huntsmans, not the one from the major, but
what do you open here?
6 in existence. I think the other 5 are owned by Chinese collectors. Here's a link to it. Link. Happy 2 years xQcl.
Contender sticker autograph.
H.
Dog shit. Bro, there's so fucking many of them. Bruh. Oh, I saw red though. Wait, this is dog shit then. Chat, what is the most level one here? I'm not opening those. These are like, I don't even want to open those. Those are so bad now. Rob's Hollow. Rob's Hollow. Oh, it's already there. Oh, really, bruh? Really, bruh? Really? Okay. I stop it again, double T's. Chat, I'm gonna be honest, chat. I'm gonna tell you how it is, okay? This is not even worth the fucking inventory space. The time that it takes for me to move the fucking stickers out of my inventory, it costs more to do that than the sticker value combined. Dog shit, I'm tired of it. Sex! 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 Where's my steady at? Sex. I'll do trade-ups. Hold up. Chat. Fire Serpy. Chat. 5% chance Fire Serpy. 2%?
I'd like to say.
Let me tell you, I'm out here from a very far away place. Oh, for a chance to be a star. Nowhere seems to be too far.
No more parties in LA. Please, baby, no more parties in LA. No more parties in LA. Please, baby, no more parties in LA. No more.
Los Angeles.
Please.
Shake that body, party that body.
Please.
Shake that body, party that body.
Please.
Shake that body, party that body.
Hey baby, you forgot your Ray-Bans, and my sheets still orange from your spray tan.
It was more than soft porn for the gay man. She remember my sprinters and I was in the great van. Well, cutie, I like your bougie booty. Come here, girl, by do me. Well, let's make a movie. Hell, you know my repertoire is like a wrestler. I show you the road, connect the dots. A country girl in North Hollywood.
Alright.
Used to cook red beans and rice. Now it's Denny's form in the morning. Spoil your appetite. Liquor pouring and niggas swarming your section with erection. Smoking every direction. Middle finger pedestrians. R&B singers and lesbians. Rappers and managers. Music and iPhone cameras. The shit unanimous for you. It's damaging for you, I think. That pussy should only be holding exclusive rights to me.
Ready.
Checking the extra bag. Now you wanna divide the yam like
Or today, maybe.
that shit don't add up.
Not.
You're making them mad as fuck. She say she came out here to find the A-list rapper. I said, baby, spin around and say the alphabet backwards. Shit